Welcome back to my channel. Apple launches HomePod second generation in India. Check price, features, availability. The second generation HomePod is priced at 32,900 rupees and can be pre-ordered through Apple retailers. It will go on sale on February 3rd. Apple unveiled its second-generation HomePod speaker in India on January 18, nearly 2 years after the American tech giant discontinued the first smart speaker. The new HomePod is compatible with other smart home products and supports spatial audio. According to Apple, the HomePod, 2nd Gen, comes with a custom high-excursion woofer to deliver remarkable bass. A custom-engineered high-excursion woofer, powerful motor that drives the diaphragm, a remarkable 20 mm, built-in bass EQ mic, and beamforming array of 5 tweeters around the base all work together to achieve a powerful acoustic experience. The new HomePod uses the S7 chip from the Apple Watch Series 7, which features a temperature and humidity sensor. The HomePod also recognizes sound reflections from nearby surfaces in real time with its room sensing technology. The smart speaker uses beamforming to direct ambient audio and deliver spatial audio experiences. Users can also create a home theater experience with Apple TV 4K, while Siri voice assistance gives users more control over other smart home accessories with voice commands. The HomePod, 2nd Gen, can also listen to smoke and carbon monoxide alarms and notify users on their iPhones. Thanks for watching.